Avocados are washed.
Point and surface contaminants. Optical sorting machines separate avocados. Ripeness and quality.
Mechanical peelers remove avocado skins. The pulp is separated from seeds.
And transferred to stainless steel processing containers.
The avocado pulp is crushed into a uniform paste. This process prepares the material for oil extraction,
while preserving natural nutrients.
Ambient mechanical hume.
processed avocado pulp enters closed mechanical extraction units.
Rotational pressure separates avocado oil from solid material. Separates avocado oil from solid material.
The output is a measured stream of raw avocado oil directed to filtration systems.
For lotion production,
Filtered avocado oil is stored. In temperature-controlled stainless steel tanks.
Quality sensors monitor clarity, viscosity,
and stability. And sparkling and stability.
A lotion base is prepared by combining purified water, emulsifiers, and stabilizers.
this base ensures smooth texture and consistent absorption.
The integration process begins now.
Measured avocado oil is gradually blended into the lotion base. How can we achieve perfect molecular distribution throughout the base?
Automated mixers ensure uniform distribution of avocado nutrients.
High-speed homogenizers refine the avocado lotion texture. Creating a smooth, stable, and consistent cosmetic product.
The avocado lotion is cooled.
Under controlled conditions. This step stabilizes the emulsion. It locks in the avocado oil properties.
Automated testing systems verify pH levels, viscosity, microbial safety, and avocado oil concentration.
Only approved lotion batches continue.
Sensors ensure microbial safety and precise avocado oil concentration.
Finished avocado-based skin lotion. Is transferred into cosmetic-grade lotion containers.
Automated filling machines dispense the lotion into plastic or pump bottles. These containers are specifically designed for topical skincare products. The automated system ensures precise volume and sterile sealing for every unit. The process is complete.
Packaged avocado lotion units are arranged into cartons.
Human oversight ensures the seamless transition. This automated packing process guarantees collective security and precision.
and stored in climate-controlled warehouses, awaiting distribution.